burn the cracker, burst the balloon. Happy Diwali!
Diyas are like heart of people around you. Light them with your smile, laughter and lots of love. Hello everyone, myself Kitika. I hope you all are fine at home. Now the stress is over, exams are completed, winter is about to start and the festival is round the corner. The much awaited festival of lights Diwali has arrived. The most common thing what people do now is they spend lavishly on clothes, firecrackers, buying things, online shopping, etc. But Diwali is much more than that. According to Wikipedia, India is celebrating 151 festivals in 1 year. It means we are celebrating more than half of the year. This is the celebration of life. Diwali is the festival which is celebrated all over India to commemorate return of Lord Ram from Ayodhya. We all know Lord Ram returned from exile after 14 years, and people of Ayodhya, they lightened the lamp, rows of lamp, and celebrated this festival with great joy. So many tales are associated with this one. One of the tale I would like to tell you that on this day it is presumed that Goddess Lakshmi married to Lord Vishnu. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on this day as she is considered as the sign of prosperity and wealth. Diwali can be much more provided memorable for you if you spend these times in true spirits and you spend these times to help poor and needy people around you. According to Hindu festival, this calendar Diwali falls in the month of Kartik. According to Hindu mythology, Diwali is India's biggest festival and we can celebrate this with great joy. In Jains also it is an important day. How? On this day, Lord Mahavir attained Nirvana. What will do now to reduce the pollution? We all know so many firecrackers will burst, and as this is the festival and we all are going to celebrate this, we are going to burst the firecrackers. So in the midst of happiness, a glaring pollution problem is also there. This is a nightmare for some animals because so much of noise is not adorable for them. It is like a nightmare that some animals like dogs and cats, they can hear 4 times than us. So imagine the pain and agony they are facing. Now think about the garbage and the paper pages that are found on the roads. They are just things that happens on the day of Diwali. The real problem comes after the day. Roads are filled with bits of paper and plastics. Approximately 4,000 metric ton of garbage are released in Delhi alone. Isn't it a great number? So instead of spending much more on firecrackers, exchange some handmade gifts and customized gifts with your friends and relatives. Let's celebrate this festival in its true spirit and true joy. Be considerate of your surroundings and think about pollution. Help the needy and poor around you. Use earthen lamps than the plastic lights and spread the joy nearby you. Let's celebrate the festival with true sense of spreading the joy, light up the whole world of others. Have a happy, safe and blessed Diwali.
Hi friend, this is Miss Sharon and this is Miss Veronica. Keep calm, have fun, is Diwali. Happiness is in the air. I wish and pray your all sorrows burn like crackers.
May the diyas light lead you onto the road of growth and prosperity.
We wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Happy Diwali all of you.
हेलो गाइस, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि दीपावली क्यों मनाते हैं। आप सभी सोच रहे होंगे कि दीपावली तो सभी जानते हैं क्यों मनाते हैं, लेकिन नहीं, सभी इस बात को नहीं जानते। आप अपने घर में आसपास किसी से भी पूछ के देख लें तो आपको खुद ही पता चल जाएगा कि कितने लोग जानते हैं। ज्यादातर लोगों का जवाब यही रहेगा कि राम रावण को मारकर अयोध्या वापस आए थे, इसलिए दीपावली मनाई जाती है। तो राम की ही पूजा होनी चाहिए। गणेश, लक्ष्मी, सरस्वती की पूजा क्यों होती है, आप सोचो। दीपावली के दिन समुद्र मंथन के द्वारा लक्ष्मी जी प्रकट हुई थी और इस दिन नारायण जी का वरण किया था, अर्थात इस दिन लक्ष्मी जी का विवाह नारायण जी के साथ हुआ था, इसलिए दीपावली मनाई जाती है। अब आप सोचोगे तो कि लक्ष्मी जी और विष्णु की पूजा होनी चाहिए दीपावली पे, वो क्यों नहीं होती? आपके मन में एक सवाल और उत्पन्न हो रहा होगा। विष्णु भगवान ने लक्ष्मी जी को अपूर्ण कहा। अपूर्ण उसे कहते हैं जिसके संतान न हो। तो लक्ष्मी जी के कोई संतान नहीं थी, तो सरस्वती माता लक्ष्मी जी के पास आई तो लक्ष्मी जी उस समय रो रही थी। तो लक्ष्मी जी ने कहा कि मुझे अपूर्ण कहा है। तो सरस्वती माँ पार्वती के पास गई उनको लेके और पार्वती ने उनकी समस्या का समाधान किया। पार्वती जी ने कहा कि मैं अभी तुम्हें पूर्ण कर देती हूँ। तो गणेश जी को लेके लक्ष्मी जी की गोदी में दिया और कहा आज से तुम पूर्ण हो। तो उसी दिन से गणेश लक्ष्मी की पूजा की जाती है। और सरस्वती की पूजा इसलिए की जाती है क्योंकि सरस्वती माँ ने ही पार्वती माता की सहायता की थी। तो दीपावली पर गणेश लक्ष्मी सरस्वती की पूजा इसीलिए की जाती है। आई होप आप सभी को ये वीडियो समझ में आया। थैंक यू।
Hello everyone, myself Lucky Gupta. May the divine light of Diwali shine with peace, prosperity, happiness and good health in your life. Wishing you a very happy Diwali to all. Thank you.
Happy Diwali to all.
Hello everyone, this is Gitika ma'am here. May the festival of this Diwali become more joyful and fruitful for you. I would like to wish you a very happy Diwali and prosperous New Year.